So welcome back again to another episode of Tech under 2,000 pesos. For this episode, we are going to find out if this ASUS Cerberus Gaming Mouse is worth the money.
To a code we all swore, for this life we have chosen. Armed soldiers to a common war we fight, to this passion of love we may fail and die. Slipping further, we're falling faster, we're growing stronger, let's not grow weaker than I know.
So speaking of the sick-ass intro, the ASUS Cerberus Gaming Mouse is one of the gaming mouse that ASUS really offers for just an affordable price segment. You can actually buy this one for only 1,000 to 2,000 peso range. There are a lot of stuff that you can see, with the ambidextrous design really comfortable for both left and right-handed gamers, with up to 2500 DPI for its maximum response rate, especially if you want to play some FPS games. And yes, we have 6 buttons and 2 options that you can get, either white or black. The build quality of this one is really great. When it comes to it, I do like the finish of a rubberized plastic with the rubber siding and a braided cable that has 1.8 meters of length. And yes, this is actually a really great gaming mouse to make more durability possible, which this mouse is absolutely a really great build quality, and aesthetic looks is really distinctive. But wait, there's more. You can actually get the black version and you will see some fingerprint smudges, although on the white version, yes, you don't actually see one, but you can expect a lot of dirt, so you have been warned with it. With all the warranty booklet and all the other stuffs on the side, ergonomics, I do want to say that it is really excellent that ASUS made it ambidextrous for both left and right-handed gamers to be more comfortable. However, due to the fact that the left side buttons will not accommodate left-handed gamers to have the best gaming experience, well, that is not really an issue there. So, despite gaming performance, with the different DPI options, you can actually expect that this one is really responsive, where the LEDs are actually the indication, not RGB, where you can see changing the DPI will actually change its color. So here we go with the conclusion. Yes, it is really a performer when it comes to the price range like this kind of gaming mouse. You can get a lot of potential, but the lack of programmable buttons, the lack of RGB, this is more like a minimalist entry-level gaming mouse if you want to get one for just an affordable price, right? Well, for 1,000 and 2,000 pesos, I cannot complain. But there are a lot of gaming mouse out there, and you can actually get an ASUS with Aura Sync support that can actually give you the best potential. And with that, this is Norms, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. And I do highly recommend getting this one if you are going entry level with a gaming mouse. That is actually really good, especially if you want to have a keyboard bundle. And yes, all the links are in the description box on where to buy the stuffs, and I'll see you guys in the next video.